Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us learn the example number 7 from chapter 2 triangles. In my previous videos, I have completed the theorem 2.1 to 2.5, examples 1 to 6 and the exercises 2.1 and 2.2. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Example number 7 from chapter 2 triangle says, a girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. So here this is the figure given. You have a girl standing next to a lamp post of height 90 centimeters. Now she is walking away from the base of the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, height of this lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground. Now we have to find the length of her shadow. There is a shadow form of this girl. As the light of this lamp post falls on this girl, a shadow is formed this side. And we have to find out the length of this shadow after 4 seconds. She is walking at a speed of 1.2 meters per second away from the lamp post, and we have to find out the shadow length after 4 seconds. So let us draw another figure here. So let this be a lamp post which is 3.6 meters above the ground. Okay, so this is 3.6 meters. And we have a girl also standing next to a lamp post, and her height is 90 centimeters. Now this girl, she walks away from the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second, and we have to find length of her shadow after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, the girl would be standing here, and we have to find out the length of her shadow. The light is falling from the lamppost, form a shadow of this girl. So after 4 seconds, we will be calculating the length of the shadow. Okay, so let the lamppost be AB. The height of the girl who's standing after 4 seconds is CD. So converting this 90 centimeter, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, right? So 90 centimeters will be how many meters? 90 by 100. If you cancel 1 0, now 9 divided by 10 will be 0.9 meters. This is how we convert the 90 centimeters to meters. The height of the girl in meters, it is 0.9 meters, and let this be E. So we have two triangles, that is ABE and CDE. Now we have to find out this length, that is DE length, that is the shadow of the girl. So we have to find out this value. So first of all, let us write down what is given in the question. So they have given us the height of the lamp post, right? Height of lamp post is equal to 3.6 meter. Similarly, height of girl is how much? It is 0.9 meter. Speed with which the girl is walking away from the lamppost is 1.2 meters per second, and the time taken is 4 seconds. Now here you can notice that we can calculate this distance BD with the help of the speed and time given. So write down speed is equal to distance by time taken. So now we know speed and we know time. We can calculate the distance by multiplying the speed into time. Therefore, distance is equal to, that is, the distance is nothing but the length of this side BD. That is, distance BD is equal to, speed of the girl is 1.2 into the time taken is 4 seconds. So that is how much? 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So since there is a point here, after one digit we are adding a point. Value of BD is nothing but 4.8 meters. That is BD value. So we know the side AB, we know BD, and we know CD value. So we have to find out this value of DE. So how do we find out the value of DE? So we will use the similarity criteria and let us prove that the triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. If we prove these two triangles are similar, then we can take the proportion of the sides BD and BE and AB and CD of these two triangles. So let us write down in triangle ABE and triangle CDE. We can see that this angle E is common for these two triangles. So we can write down angle E is equal to angle E, as it is a common angle for both the triangles. Angle E is equal to angle E. And also we can see that since the lamp post and the girl are standing vertical to the ground, so they form a 90 degree. Okay, the lamp post and the girl, these both form a 90 degree, right? So we can say that angle B is equal to angle D, that is equal to 90 degree, because both the lamp post and the girl are vertical to the ground level. So angle B is equal to angle E, both 90 degrees, as the girl and lamppost are vertical to the ground. So now you can observe that in these two triangles we have, so this is angle B is equal to angle D, not E. So now we can observe that there are two angles which are equal in these two triangles, that is ABE and CDE. Therefore, by angle similarity criteria, we can say that the triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. So by angle similarity criteria, we can say that the triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. So now since these two triangles are similar, now we can take the proportion of sides of these two triangles, which will be equal, right? So we can write down the side AB by CD will be equal to BD by DE and AE by CE, right? Taking the proportion of the sides of these two triangles. So we will get AB by CD. We are taking these two sides because these two sides are 90 degrees to the ground, right? So we are taking these two sides. Next we will take the sides which are on the ground level. Okay, that is BE by DE equal to BE divided by DE, and that is equal to AE divided by CE. Okay, so now you can observe that we know the AB value. What is the AB value? It is 3.6 meters. We know the CD value, it is 0.9 meters. So now what is BE given as BD plus DE? And we know the BD value, that is 4.8 meters. Okay, so let us take these two ratios and find out the DE values. So we can write BE is equal to BD plus DE. So substituting the BD value here, we will get BE is equal to 4.8 plus DE. So let us take the sides ratio, that is AB by CD is equal to BE by DE. So let us substitute the value of AB, CD, BE. So substituting the value of AB, what is the value of AB given here? It is 3.6 divided by CD is 0.9, that is equal to BE is what? 4.8 plus DE. So 4.8 plus DE divided by DE. Okay, let us simplify this equation and find out the value of DE. Now if we remove the point here in both the numerator and denominator, so no need to multiply by 10 because we are removing the point in both numerator and denominator. So we will get 36 by 9. So cancelling, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. So sending this DE to the left hand side, so we will get 4DE is equal to 4.8 plus DE. Send this DE to the left hand side. So 4DE minus DE is equal to 4.8. So 4DE minus DE is 4 minus 1. There is no coefficient here, so we are taking as 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3DE. 3DE is equal to 4.8 or DE is equal to 4.8 divided by 3, sending this 3 to the right hand side. So let us divide this and find out the value. So we have 4.8 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, so 1 is left and 8 comes down. 3 6 are 18. 0. Okay, since we have 4.8, we will add again point here after one decimal point in the quotient, since the dividend has also a point. So therefore we got DE is equal to 1.6. DE is nothing but the length of the shadow of the girl. Okay, so therefore write down the length of girl's shadow after 4 seconds is 1.6 meters. So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, do comment me in the comment section below. In my next video, I'll be solving example number 8 from chapter 2 triangles. So till then, do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT Math. And also do watch the related videos of this chapter shown on the screen. Thank you.